Hey everyone, the Ayaneo Next 2 marks a major leap forward for Ayaneo's line of Windows-based gaming handhelds, blending cutting-edge processing power with refined ergonomics and premium design. Officially unveiled as part of Ayaneo's next-generation lineup, the device is built around AMD's latest Ryzen AI Max, plus 395 processor, paired with integrated Radeon 8060S graphics, based on the RDNA 3.5 architecture. This combination positions the Next 2 among the most powerful Windows handhelds ever made, rivaling other devices built on AMD's Strix Halo platform, such as those from GPD and 1X Player. At its heart, the Ryzen AI Max plus 395 processor delivers a remarkable 16-core, 32-thread configuration built on AMD's Zen 5 architecture. This level of performance blurs the line between a portable console and a compact gaming PC, offering desktop-grade multitasking and graphics capabilities. The integrated Radeon 8060S GPU, according to early comparisons, performs in the same ballpark as NVIDIA's RTX 4060, an impressive feat for an integrated solution. This allows the Ayaneo Next 2 to handle demanding modern titles with ease, making it an ideal option for gamers seeking both portability and high-end performance. Thermal management has been a focal point of Ayaneo's design philosophy, and the Next 2 takes it a step further with a dual-fan cooling system engineered to maintain stable temperatures during marathon gaming sessions. The exterior has also been refined. The body now features smoother, more rounded edges and a premium finish that feels comfortable to hold for long periods. While the company has not officially confirmed the exact specifications of the display, it is described as top tier. Most leaks and reports suggest it could be an 8.4-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600. If true, that would make it one of the sharpest and most immersive displays on any handheld gaming device currently available. Ayaneo continues its focus on high-quality input controls by equipping the Next 2 with TMR joysticks, renowned for their accuracy and resistance to drift over time. The dual-mode triggers offer both analog sensitivity and hair trigger precision, catering to a wide range of gaming styles. The layout maintains an Xbox-like configuration with offset analog sticks, ABXY buttons, a smooth circular D-pad, and 2 compact touchpads placed under each stick for added navigation or customization. On the back, 4 programmable shoulder buttons give players additional control flexibility for shortcuts or complex in-game macros. Though Ayaneo has yet to release official specifications, early information points to configurations starting with 32 gigs of RAM and at least 1 terabyte of SSD storage. The device also reportedly carries an extra-large integrated battery, suggesting a stronger focus on endurance, a necessary improvement given the power demands of its new APU. However, exact capacity and expected runtime remain undisclosed. Given its ambitious hardware and feature set, the Ayaneo Next 2 is expected to debut at a premium price point of around $1,500. While this positions it among the most expensive handhelds on the market, the pricing reflects its role as a flagship device for enthusiasts who demand uncompromised performance in a compact, Windows-based form factor. In essence, the Ayaneo Next 2 is shaping up to be a showcase of what's possible when high-end PC components are miniaturized without compromise. With its combination of powerful AMD silicon, advanced cooling, high-precision controls, and premium craftsmanship, it represents the next evolution of handheld gaming, one where desktop-level experiences can be enjoyed anywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.